Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Force questions get easy fast when you treat the boxes together, count friction correctly, and turn the whole setup into one clean equation. Treat boxes R and S as one system because they move together with acceleration A0, and any contact force between them is internal, so it cancels from the system view. Now list the external horizontal forces on that combined system. The applied force F0 points right, while kinetic friction on both boxes points left and opposes motion. The total friction is mu0 times the total normal force, so it is mu0 times mr plus ms times g, giving F0 minus friction equals... Well done! Option C, scan now. Trap, signs and rushing. Rule, trust the given acceleration and check each step before combining forces.